to start a very interesting chapter, that is movements of earth. Children, this is the 13th chapter and this is the most interesting chapter of our class. Children, I hope you will enjoy the first part of our video. So the things we are going to learn today will be features of earth, means how it looks, how it is, then life on earth, and last one is earth's surface. So let's start with the first one, features of earth. Children, do you know what is the shape of earth? The earth is spherical in shape. Spherical means, let's see, it is bulging in the middle and slightly flattened at the top and bottom. Children, if you see the shape of the earth, or if you see the earth, it is slightly bulging from the middle, means it is slightly fat from the middle, and from the top and bottom it is flat. Okay, so from middle it is slightly fat, and from top and bottom it is flat. The flattened part at the top is called the North Pole and the bottom point is called the South Pole. Means, can you see the two blue lines on the up and down side? So the up side blue line is there, that is the North Pole, and the blue line at the below at the end of the globe, that is the South Pole. Okay, so the top is called the North Pole and the bottom is called South Pole. So that means the earth is spherical in shape. Let's go ahead with the another topic, that is life on earth. Do you know, children, that from all the planets, why the earth is the only planet where we are having life? What are the reasons that other planets do not have the life? Let's see. Children, the presence of life on the earth makes it a special planet. Means, when the life is possible on earth, because that's why it is called a special planet. Our planet is neither too hot nor too cold like another planets in the solar system. Means, as the solar system is having so many planets, some are too hot, some are too cold. You can see in the image that the planet which is nearer to the earth, that is very hot, and the planet which is very far from the earth, that is the last one, that is very cold. But earth is at the proper place where it do not have too much hot or too much cold. The earth's temperature is such that it makes life possible on it. That's why there is possibility of life, there is the life possible on earth. Children, the earth is only known planet to have water. Animals, plants and humans need water to live. Children, we all need water to survive, right? Water is our basic necessity. But the earth is the only planet where the water is found. No other planet is having water. So how can life can be possible on another planets, right? We need air to breathe. The earth is surrounded by the layer of air called atmosphere. Children, you can see in the image that around the earth there is blue color line. Yes, blue color circle. What is that called? That is atmosphere. Why this atmosphere is necessary? Because this atmosphere absorbs the heat coming from the sun and thus protects the earth's surface. That means whatever the sun rays are coming, those are very, very strong. We cannot bear those strong sun rays. That's why this atmosphere absorbs the sun rays and protects the earth's surface. Now, what is earth's surface? Let's see. The earth's surface is covered with land and water. See, there are two things on the earth's surface, that is a land and water. But there is more water than land on the earth. You can see in the image that only brown portions are land, but the blue portions are there, that is water. So which is the more portion? That is the blue one. So that's why there is more water than the land. Children, nearly 2/3 of the earth's surface is covered with water. If we look at the earth from space, it looks like a blue planet. Yes? Correct. If we see the image, 70% of the earth's surface is covered with water and only 30% land is there. So it is said that there is a land, there is more water than the land, and that's why it is known as a blue planet. So children, this was all about today's videos and interesting facts about today's chapter. In the next video we'll see more interesting parts of this chapter, and till then revise from students books, study well, take care of yourself. Bye bye.